You're watching Bermuda Grad Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time. Okay, yard fanatics, as promised, look, this is going to be very quick. I'm going straight into it. You want to know how to order Prodiamine 65 WDG or Prodiamine WDG 65, all right? This is what we're talking about right here, all right? I got mine off of eBay, but I'm going to show you a few more places that you can, well, the main two places that you can need to go and get it, all right? The first one is Amazon, all right? And as you can see right there on the screen, I'm going to zoom in. We got Prodiamine 65 WDG, which is the generic form of Barricade, guys, all right? Now, Barricade is the actual name brand formula, and it costs an arm and a leg, all right? So we're going with the Prodiamine 65 WDG. This is on Amazon right here. Click on it. You see it's $57.39 free shipping. Now, I don't know if this is Prime for most of you guys, but this is not Prime, but whenever I've ordered off of off of Amazon, it came in 2 or 3 days, so it doesn't matter. All right, but you can get it here. And I'll click on it, just, give you a little bit more information. Let me click on it. Having a problem there. All right, you see right there, the rating on it. Pretty good. So that stuff works. That's basically all I want to show you with that right there. All right, that's Prodiamine 65 WDG off of Amazon. Good rating, a must have. All right, the next one, and like I said, this is gonna be a short video, guys, is Amazon, eBay. All right, now eBay is the primary source where I order my stuff. All right, this is the other one. Prodiamine 65 WDG generic Barricade comes in a 5-pound bag or container. I prefer the container. And guys, I'm just gonna be real with you. I'm gonna zoom in on the company that I ordered from. Even though it came in this, it's the same brand, QualiPro. You see it? It's just, it's in a different container, that's all. All right, and the reason I'm gonna zoom in, because when I ordered this from them, it actually came in the container. A lot of times you order this stuff off of eBay, they'll show you this, all right? But it'll actually come in a bag, and I don't like that. But I've ordered a couple of products from this company right here. This is the one that's on eBay. And when I've gotten it, it's been pretty much as pictured or close to as pictured, because that label may change during the process. They just don't go and update their picture of the item. But to send it to me in a bag and you showing me this, I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, guys. And the last thing, like I said, these are the two main places I say you order. Now, if you have Amazon Prime, if you love Amazon, go ahead and order from Amazon, and I'll tell you why. Amazon has a somewhat of a better return policy, but it's not as great as it used to be. If you hold on to it for 15 to 20 days, then they'll allow you to return it. But now what's going on is they're making you pay the postage to return it. You can't return it by the United States Postal Service anymore. It's going to be returned by UPS, United Parcel Service. And you'll have to find a drop-off location, and it'd be $5.99. Or if you have UPS to pick it up from your property, it's going to be $11.99. So you got to be absolutely sure, again, with Amazon. Even though they have a good return policy, it's not as good as they used to be. Now, when I've ordered off eBay, I never ordered the wrong product, but a lot of times you can return that stuff, and eBay is the same way, but sometimes the seller will go ahead and eat that cost just to keep that negative review from them being hit with a negative review. All right, and that's if you order it from eBay. All right. Another question I get, guys, is this. Where do I get those cool sprayers with that 3-head function on it? Matter of fact, let me show you. Camera magic, y'all. Hey, this is the 3-head function right here. And this one goes to that sprayer right there. It's attached to the wand. This is not something that I buy separate. When you buy this whole container, this comes with it. It's on that wand right there. But listen, I get the ones that say Scott's on it. I'm getting those from Home Depot, all right? I'm showing you this because I want you to focus in on the price, which is $19.99. That's how much I paid for it at the store. But if you look real closely, you see it says 14 in stock. You can pick it up today. This is at my local store, guys, and this is the Home Depot website. So if you go there and you type in Scott's pump sprayer, look for the one with the multi-use sprayer. That's a 2-gallon. The 1 gallon is $14.99. And just a tip here for you guys. I know some of you guys can't wait, but if you wait till the spring sale that Home Depot and Lowe's have, normally they have this joker right here in a 2-pack for $19.99. You get this one and you get the small one for free. But that's during the spring. Spring is when you get 50% off most of the chemicals, the weed be gone, not lawn fertilizers, but the ant kills and all that stuff is normally 50% off. That's when I buy my stock for the rest of the season. Like if I'm gonna treat my yard twice with a ant control, I get 2 bags for the price of 1. That's just a tip, shopping tip for you guys. Now, we have the other one, which is actually the Roundup Sprayer. Let me show you this. All right, you see that one, guys, right there, Roundup Sprayer. Now, that is, I think, yeah, that's the 2-gallon. Normally the 2-gallon is $19.99 at the store. Now, last year, I actually got a bunch of them because they cleared them out. But I guess by me making these videos and telling you guys the price, I don't see that deal anymore. They had dropped as low as $7. I'm talking about for the 2-gallon. And the 1 gallon was like $5, guys. So I got a bunch of. But long story short, look how much it is right here. $32.99 for a 2-gallon. No way I would pay that. If I were you guys, I would go to download the Walmart app. Type in Roundup multi-sprayer, a multi-use home and garden sprayer, 3-way nozzle. And if it comes up, check your local store to see if they still have it in stock. Because if they still have it in stock, it should be $19.99 or lower for a 2-gallon and $14.99 or lower for a 1-gallon. Okay, guys, like I said, it was a short video. I did not want to take up a lot of your time, but I was getting a lot of questions asking me about this Prodiamine. Where do I get it from? How long is it going to take? And that's it. You know, you get it from the 2 main spots I suggest is Amazon and eBay. You can get it from all kinds of retailers online, but check their return policy before you order. I did an Instagram video about the Prodiamine and if the seal is broken for you to send it back. So jump on over there to the Instagram page and you'll see that. Also, guys, I know some of you guys are like, man, I can't find it, BYD. I can't find it. Okay, I got news for you. I'm going to go ahead and give away one Roundup sprayer. It's the 1 gallon with the 3-head function nozzle. The very bottom below, you see my Instagram handle. Go over there. And first of all, I need you to like and comment on this page. Go over to the Instagram page. Like the picture. And I need you to tell me what is your favorite candy for this Halloween. 3 days from now, I will be selecting a winner. I'm going to use the TubeBuddy select a winner thing they got on my YouTube channel. So you have to like this video in order to be a part of that. And go over to Instagram, tell me what your favorite candy is, and we'll get that shipped out soon. 3 days from now, somebody will be getting this Roundup Sprayer. I had a contest a while back, and believe it or not, I contacted 3 people and nobody actually returned a response to get it. So I'm gonna try to give it away again. I looked at Jerry Rig everything, and I saw kind of how he did his, so I'm gonna try mine that way. Flip it over to Instagram, let you tell me what your favorite candy is. I'll pick a winner from there. So guys, remember one thing. You are tuned into Bermuda Grad Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.